Okay, I had a sprayer break, but I need another sprayer, so I'm going to be changing it with this one here as I wait for parts, because what I did is I called Moen, and I will try to put the number on the screen where you would call, but they're actually sending me out new hoses because I've had about 4 hoses break and a couple sprayer heads break, and they're actually going to send those parts. They didn't give me any fuss, any hassle. They just sent me a new faucet for one of them, for a faucet that was broken. I did a video actually. I showed where this portion broke. This one's a little bit different, but I think it's the same idea. So I think you just push these in or push these out. I have to kind of figure this one out a little bit. There we go. Oh, I just squeezed it, pushed it in, and then now I can undo the clip. So, got my bucket underneath it. Should be able to catch all the water right here. I already unclipped the weight and pull this one all the way on out. There's the old one. And then I'm going to just temporarily be installing the new one here. But I'm going to take the sprayer head from this one because take the sprayer head from this one here. That way the other one's all new. So I've got a new sprayer on the other one. There we go. And that one will have a new weight. Uh-oh. It looks like the weight is also missing on the other new one. So I'm going to just include the weight with this one right here. And then when I put the new one in, I'll change it all out. Just doing what I gotta do here. Here's the old faucet. I'm gonna leave the water turned off on this one so no one uses it, and we're just gonna kind of anchor it in place. That's what I need to do because this sprayer is leaking. So turned off the water, or turning off the water, and until I get the new sprayers in. So this on a feed, got the new sprayer head in there. Just feed this up and over, down into the bin. Coming out the bottom. Okay. And then we're going to push this up and into the deal. Kind of want to get this better with a little more light on it, huh? There we go. This will push up and in, and then we'll lock the clip in. Now that's locked into the sprayer. And then this one, the weight, since the weight is missing, I need to find kind of just a creative way to get this deal done. Maintenance! Alright. Uh-oh. Got a different sprayer head here. Always a few little, yeah, see, no fit inside. Just for the new one. That one just doesn't have that little plastic clip here.
Is it this?
Just the head, you think?
Yeah.
No, because it's this.
Yeah, it's for the hose, it's different.
Yeah.
For the,
Oh, the hose itself is different.
yeah, for right here.
Uh-huh.
This is for the, right here is,
I gotcha.
this is and the wrong.
Yeah.
This is
Right.
square.
The square.
Not right here.
I gotcha. Okay. Well, I have new one coming. This one will work for that one, so that's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah, this one's good because this will fit.
Yeah.
That head will definitely
You
fit
check?
in there, and this one
You
will
check
fit
this
in
is
here.
the wrong?
Yeah.
This is the different.
Let's just make sure that, yeah, This will fit fine.
Okay, yeah.
So it'll work in reverse. They just the old one who got trouble. But such is life, right? They always got to change stuff on you. Let's see, I don't need my cell phone here anymore, but I do need to figure out some way. You know, likely the new one is going to be different. My thought is maybe this plastic insert will come out. So, and that's a big maybe. But the new one will be the smaller size, huh?
Yes, it's more.
Yeah. So I'll be okay. If I just anchor this up in
I
here,
know.
like this,
Right.
tie it in there somehow. It's just temporary. So
Yeah.
the question is, can I rig it down here and tie it somehow? Wrap it. It's crazy, but it's a broken hose, so I'll be leaving the water turned off until I get a new one. It's only temporary. Don't get too excited out there. All the trolls. It's ugly, but it's there. All right. My friend actually found the weight inside there. So this is the old one. So I'm gonna, well, I can put the weight back on there. Clip it back on instead. But it's only temporary, so I'm just gonna clip it on just about anywhere at this point. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about really clamping it. Just, oh gosh. So this deal normally goes on this spot here, and it just clips on. And again, this is just temporary. I might just leave it tied up anyway. There we go. There we go. Something like that. It may work out better. There we go. That way. Yep, it's not perfect, but it's good enough for now. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.